First Digital NextGen Mastercard, my honest review and user experience. Building or rebuilding credit can be tough, but the First Digital NextGen Mastercard claims to help you do just that even if your credit score isn't perfect. I tested it out, and here's my honest experience. The application process was quick and straightforward. There is no need for a perfect credit score, and approval is often instant. Once approved, you receive your card details right away. Most people get this wrong. They think cards like this are payday traps, but First Digital actually reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you build credit responsibly over time. The card offers flexible payment options and a manageable credit limit that grows with responsible use. The mobile app makes it easy to track balances, schedule payments, and view statements. However, there are a few downsides to know. The annual fee is higher than average and the interest rate isn't low. But if you pay off your balance monthly, those costs become much less of an issue. In my experience, this card works best as a stepping stone. After about 6 months of consistent on-time payments, I saw an improvement in my credit score enough to qualify for better cards later. In short, the First Digital NextGen Mastercard isn't perfect, but it's a useful tool for anyone rebuilding their financial foundation. If used wisely, it can open the door to better credit and greater financial freedom down the road.